show you guys. This is how you do it correctly. Don't watch any other tutorials but this one, because this is the right way to do it.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Art Club Online. My name is Michelle and this is
Lynn!
We are super happy to not really see you today, but we trust that you're there. Welcome, welcome. What we're doing today is
face painting! We should have practiced that.
Yeah.
Face painting!
That was much better. So we're going to be face painting today. It's not as hard as it seems if you know what you're doing and if you have the right paint. I mean, if you're considering face painting, please don't buy anything but Snazaroo. And this is not endorsed by Snazaroo. But really...
But it could be! Snazaroo, if you're listening.
Even without the endorsement, I don't mind advertising for this company because I haven't used any other face paint that works as well. And it's hypoallergenic and it's not dangerous. It doesn't sting if you get it in the kid's eye or whatever. That would be a nightmare.
My eyes!
You can get a little kit that's not super expensive, but it is a little pricey.
It's a little pricey.
It is. But if you want to do face painting a lot, then I would highly recommend this face painting brand. And it's so much fun because the best part is when you see the kid's face when they look at themselves in the mirror.
Even better than the big reveal is when a little kid's face falls asleep in your hand.
Has that happened to you too?
No.
It hasn't? It's happened
But
to me.
I've heard your stories and they melt me. So.
Because I always hold their face a little bit like this, and then they would just feel so relaxed in the humidity. They would just fall asleep while I painted their face. I'm going to paint on Hunter's face. I'm going to choose what I paint on Len's face. He's not going to know. Okay? Are you cool with that? I didn't even ask you.
Yeah, I'm cool.
It's washable. And I think Titus wants to try painting my face. We're going to see how that goes. So let's try. So I'm going to show you my setup just briefly. I know this looks like a mess, but it's only because it's on a teeny tiny table. So I have different kits. I have the Princess kit from Snazaroo, which gets used all the time. I even have two because it's used so much. Obviously a thing of water. Whatever colors you think you might need. It's a good idea to print out some examples of some faces that you think you could paint. And then just show that to kids, because then it's going to save you a lot of time because they're going to be able to make a decision quicker. So, of course, you're going to have a mirror because you're going to have to show them their face once you're done. I also have this like army-ish kind of kit. And this is actually the only kit I have that has orange, which is a bad idea because I use orange all the time. So if you're going to do this, you should buy orange. And buy sparkles of some sort too. That's always popular. Little girls love the sparkles. And I like to have something to put their hair back. And this is kind of girly, so you wouldn't want to use this for a boy. But I have little hair clips and things to put hair back because sometimes even boys have long hair in their eyes. And last but not least is big thing of baby wipes and paper towel because you're going to be washing your own hands a lot and you're going to be washing the kids' faces a lot as well. So this is just the basic setup. I know it looks like a mess, but it works. And these sponges are your best friend when you want to do face painting. So let's get to it. One other thing I wanted to mention real quick is these little gems. These are a really good idea to buy. You can buy them at any dollar store. They're just little sticker gems, and you can get pearls and all different kinds. And sometimes you can stick them in the middle here, depending on the design that you're making. Little girls love them. So you take this spongy thing. It's just a little cylinder that comes with some of the kits, and you wet it, and then you rub it on the paint in the kit. And you don't want it too wet, but you don't want it too dry. There's like a perfect middle of perfection. When the color is coming is basically when it's perfect, and it's not dripping. That's when it's good. So first, I'm gonna start by pinning Hunter's hair back because he happens to be one of the boys with longer hair. And I have these cute little non-girly clips. Here, let me do it. So you take the sponge, and I will put a little picture in the corner right here of the face painting that I'm doing right now. So for this face painting, you start with the outer orange color. Oh, this is weird.
What?
Because you get to see it while I'm doing it. That's never happened before, has it?
No. It's because
That looks weird.
on the camera, there's a little, like, square thing that shows what I look like.
The viewfinder.
So I can see myself
Yep.
getting face painted.
Now we need yellow. Leave that there so I can look at it. All right, you're doing a good job. Don't move, son. Okay. Close your eyes. And see how I'm holding his face to kind of show him where I want him to be holding his face. Now, this is a little bit of blending. So you just dab up into the orange a little bit. I'm actually doing this is probably the most popular face painting that kids ask for. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Not too tight. That's good. There we go. Don't relax too far. Alrighty. Now you look like the rising sun.
It's finished! Let's go!
Close your eyes.
I think I look like Bumblebee.
Oh, maybe that's what it is.
Maybe that's what you're seeing.
So don't close your eyes too tight.
And don't open them.
Right. Sorry. Is it wet?
No, it's just getting in my nose.
Oops. So it's okay to rub the paint out, but just make sure you dab over it after. This looks cool, like circus makeup. And see, I didn't get under the eyes, but I could, I guess, paint some white under there. Oops. Made a little mistake there. I'm gonna paint the stripes. This is the best part. And this paint dries really fast. So by the time you get to the stripes, it should be just about dry. So I'm just gonna dab the water into the black until it starts to loosen the color. And then you can see the color coming onto the brush. That's how you know. These are the best paints ever. Way to go, Snazaroo. All right. It's kind of nice to not be painting in the sunlight. Okay, stay really still for this part, okay? Just do a little stroke like that. Kind of like the tiger pastel drawing we did on the art club.
Okay, now let's do the eyes.
The stripes don't have to be perfectly identical on both sides. Oh, don't squint, bud. Now the coolest part. Okay, and a little line down here. And there's more stripes. Like that. And they actually have a black. Don't do that. There you go. Black top of it. And the whiskers. All right. Looking good. And there's one part of this design that really makes it pop and really makes it unique. And that is the tongue. There you go, man.
You gotta do it.
So I guess I will pin my hair back. Titus is now going to attempt to paint my face. I don't know what he's gonna do. Gotta wet it
Don't
first.
know. Yeah, I thought of that.
I'm gonna wet the sponge. Just dip the sponge right in the water.
I knew that. That's what I was doing at first. I know what I'm doing, Mom. Don't gotta correct me every once in a while. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this. Got a little on your nose, but that's okay. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Probably very bad, because I've never done this before.
Oh, I know what you're doing.
No, you don't. You know what I'm trying to do. Alright, that's about it.
I did not eat all the clover cookies, Mummy.
So... Alright, so I'm gonna try to make this as good as possible.
I love it. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Uh-huh.
Is it?
No. This is like working too well.
You can use a brush if you think it'll work better.
I knew that.
Okay. You didn't see what he did, but just slopped it down in the water.
Yeah, this works a lot better. Oh my gosh, why didn't I think of this before? Oh wait, I did.
It looks pretty good, actually.
I know, right?
Looks like Slimy the Worm.
So you guys, this is how you do it correctly. Don't watch any other tutorials but this one, because this is the right way to do it. So I will start with the lines now. This is gonna make it look so much better.
Okay.
Because right now it just looks like a blob. And now it's gonna look like an outline blob.
Yay!
Alright.
I look like a creature from below.
Maybe you are. Alright, great. Now, gotta do something else.
I think it looks pretty amazing and realistic.
Do two more things.
Light up my life.
Are we? Alright, so.
Oh! What? Is it a caterpillar?
No.
No, it's hair. It's like ponytails.
What? Now it's like a really annoying worm person.
God.
It's perfect.
Wow.
Hey guys,
Amazing.
let's go play.
Exactly.
I just ate a guy.
Mom, no. Hold
Hold
on, hold on. Stop.
Here I come, guys. Here I come. Hey, what's up? You guys want to hang out? Thanks, Titus.
You're welcome.
All right, so I obviously can't paint anything down here. I don't want to anyway because of the beard. Okay, so I'm gonna do a surprise, so try not to look.
Okay.
Okay,
It's done?
done.
Yeah! Wow.
3D glasses.
Whoa.
Good luck getting that out of your eyebrows.
That is cool. I'm gonna leave this on and
Go to work in the morning.
I won't go tomorrow because it's Saturday.
So that's it for this episode of the Art Club. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you have ideas for what we should do next. We'll do artistic things that maybe we've never tried before, like painting 3D glasses or weird worm things with pigtails.
Or blue smudges.
Ah!
Black smudges.
All right, bye guys. I will see you next time right here on the Art Club. Lynn's just in the background.
I'm blurry. Peace!
So thank you so much for watching today. And if you got this far into the video, then you get a special treat. The Art Club mailbox. Hunter's gonna open the Art Club mailbox for us today. Okay, so Hunter, open it up. Let's see what's inside. Watch out.
Dun dun dun.
Oh.
Did you know this was in here?
Yeah.
He made all of these things and we wanted to show.
Hold up that little one. That one's the best.
We can go closer.
I made this house a long time ago. One bunk bed and another bed has like doors and stuff on it. Diamonds.
Ooh.
Stuff like that. After a long time, I built the same house, but smaller.
Aww.
Wow. Aww.
Wow.
Same house, but smaller. I also made this bigger thing. You might not be able to see it, but it's an excavator made out of Lego.
So, join us next time. Thank you guys so much for always tuning in and watching the Art Club. Subscribe and like this episode and share it. And just keep watching, and we'll have new things coming up in the weeks to come. Adios.